Hare Krishna viewers, today is gonna be something really very special. To know this, just watch the video till the end. Today I'm gonna take you to Sridham Mayapur, which is ISKCON headquarter. It is in India, West Bengal, Nadia district. It's a vast area, and the timing for puja is allotted. You have to keep your shoes and mobile phones outside. They will take good care of the same, for which you have to pay a minimum amount. Photography or videography of the idols or deity is not allowed outside the temple. Within the ISKCON area, you will get various shops where you can buy so many things that you want. The price, they are reasonable. If you are visiting for the very first time, I will suggest you to buy gopi dress. If you are a female, they are cotton made, really very comfortable, and price is really very reasonable. This is Prabhupada's museum where his things are kept. Again, time is there for entry and exit. This is Prabhupada's car in which he used to travel. For food, you don't have to worry. There are various AC, non-AC restaurants. Temple prasadam is also there. This is a thali for 80 rupees where rice and dal, they were repeating. So many items were there, and this was piping hot, so delicious, home cooked meal, and it's really very delicious, especially the chutney, the raw mango, sweet, sour, tangy chutney along with papad is something which I am a very big fan of now. You should try these thalis. The pizza, pasta, everything is there, but it's pure veg. That's no onion, no garlic. This is Goshala where Go Mata, they get proper care and treatment. There you will see shops where they sell dairy products. If you want to do seva of the Go Matas, you can donate if you want, and the amount you will decide. If you want to feed them, their food is available over there. You just purchase, you feed them. This place is really very neat and clean. Go Matas, they don't get scared of anyone because they know that no one is gonna harm them. It's very hot in India, so I was tired. It's a very big place. You just can't walk and explore everything. So e-rickshaw facility is there. It's ice cream time to cool down. This is Amul's Afghani dry fruit ice cream, fully loaded with crunchy, big almond pieces. The sweetness is well balanced. The price, everything, it's reasonable. If you are planning to visit Sridham Mayapur, I'll suggest you that winter time is the best time. This is Amul True Mango. This is just for rupees 10. I enjoyed it. It's tasty, delicious. There are shops where you can buy idols, bracelets, puja items, anything, gopi dresses, whatever you want, you will get it over here. Ganga Jal, and everything is authentic over there. Supermarket is also there where you will find groceries, Ekadashi items, everything. There are many hotels where you can book prior if you want to stay, and the day you visit, if you want to book or want rooms, no prior booking, then you can do that also. Price variance will be there as per the room. This is my dinner. I enjoyed the day very much. Hare Krishna. See you soon.